How to find live notification settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find live notification settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now click this three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find this one, notifications. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find live notifications. And as you see here, you can manage live notifications on Likee app. All you need to do is just click on it, one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.